Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys, how can we disable guys ultra power saving mode guys. You can see guys in your phone guys, you can see this setting guys, everything is black, you cannot use except these 3 and 4 icons. So guys, how can you off it, means how can you disable. So it is ultra power saving mode, and as you want to disable, so as you can disable in your tecno phone. And guys, now let's see how to disable. But before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video fans. So guys, you can see that I cannot use get this also buttons, only I can scroll it. So you can see this quiet option, can tap here, and as you can see this, are you sure to quiet ultra power saving? Yes, we want to show. So as you can see guys, your ultra power saving mode will disable in your tecno phone guys. Come back. So you can see guys, this ultra power saving mode guys had disabled. Guys, you want to enable, you can enable from here. So like that guys, you can disable your ultra power saving mode in your tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.